Have you ever brought home a beautiful fiddle leaf fig only to watch its leaves turn brown, drop off, or stop growing altogether? You're not alone! The fiddle leaf fig is famous for being both stunning and a little dramatic. But here's the secret. Once you understand what this tropical plant truly wants, it can reward you with huge glossy leaves, steady growth, and a striking tree-like appearance that transforms any room. In this video, you'll discover the essential care tips that help fiddle leaf figs thrive indoors. From choosing the perfect spot to watering correctly and encouraging new growth, these simple techniques can make all the difference. If you're ready to turn your struggling fiddle leaf fig into a healthy, vibrant centerpiece, stay tuned because these tips could completely change the way you care for this popular houseplant. Number 1. Give it bright, consistent light. The number one factor in keeping a fiddle leaf fig happy is light. These plants originate from tropical forests where they receive plenty of bright, filtered sunlight. Indoors, they perform best near a large east-facing or south-facing window. The more bright light they receive, the better they grow. Avoid frequently moving your plant from room to room. Fiddle leaf figs dislike sudden environmental changes and often respond by dropping leaves. If your home doesn't receive enough natural sunlight, consider using a grow light to supplement lighting conditions. Rotate the plant every couple of weeks so all sides receive equal light exposure. This helps create balanced growth and prevents the tree from leaning toward the window. Consistent light encourages larger leaves, stronger stems, and healthier overall growth. Remember that insufficient light is one of the most common reasons fiddle leaf figs stop producing new leaves. Give them plenty of brightness, and they'll reward you with vigorous growth. Master the art of watering. Overwatering is the biggest mistake fiddle leaf fig owners make. These plants prefer soil that dries slightly between waterings. Instead of following a strict schedule, check the top 2 inches of soil with your finger before watering. When the soil feels dry, water thoroughly until excess moisture drains from the bottom of the pot. Empty the saucer afterward so roots never sit in standing water. Signs of overwatering include yellow leaves, brown spots, and leaf drop. Underwatering often causes crispy leaf edges and drooping foliage. Learning to recognize these signals helps you adjust your watering routine before problems become severe. During winter, growth slows down, so the plant typically needs less water. During spring and summer, increased light and growth may require more frequent watering. Paying attention to your plant's needs rather than a calendar is the key to success. Number 3. Use well draining. Soil-healthy roots are the foundation of a healthy fiddle leaf fig. A high-quality, well-draining potting mix helps prevent root rot while allowing roots to access oxygen. A blend designed for indoor tropical plants works well. You can improve drainage further by adding perlite, bark chips, or coarse sand. The goal is to create a soil mixture that retains enough moisture without becoming soggy. Heavy garden soil should never be used indoors because it compacts easily and holds excessive moisture. Compacted soil limits airflow and increases the risk of root problems. Good drainage supports stronger root systems, which in turn support larger leaves and faster growth. If your fiddle leaf fig seems stagnant despite proper watering and lighting, the soil may be the hidden issue. Number 4. Maintain warm temperatures. Fiddle leaf figs love warmth. They grow best in temperatures between 65° and 85° or 18° to 29°. Sudden temperature swings can stress the plant and trigger leaf loss. Keep your plant away from cold drafts near doors, windows, and air conditioning vents. Likewise, avoid placing it directly beside heaters or radiators that can dry out foliage. Consistency is especially important. Even a healthy fiddle leaf fig may react poorly to abrupt environmental changes. If you need to move the plant, do so gradually whenever possible. Providing stable temperatures helps mimic the plant's natural tropical environment and supports steady growth throughout the year. Number 5. Increase humidity levels. Although fiddle leaf figs can adapt to average household humidity, they truly thrive when humidity levels are higher. Dry indoor air can lead to brown leaf edges and slower growth. You can increase humidity by grouping plants together, using a humidifier, or placing a tray filled with water and pebbles near the plant. Bathrooms and bright kitchens often provide naturally higher humidity levels. making them excellent locations if adequate light is available. Higher humidity helps leaves stay lush, glossy, and healthy. Combined with proper watering and lighting, it creates ideal growing conditions that encourage continuous development. Number 6. Feed during the growing season. Like all actively growing plants, fiddle leaf figs benefit from regular feeding. During spring and summer, apply a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. Nutrients support leaf production, root development, and overall plant health. However, avoid over-fertilizing, as excessive nutrients can burn roots and damage foliage. Reduce or stop fertilizing during fall and winter when growth naturally slows. The plant's nutrient requirements decrease significantly during this period. A consistent feeding routine gives your fiddle leaf fig the resources it needs to produce larger leaves and maintain vibrant green color throughout the growing season. Number 7. Clean and inspect. The large leaves that make fiddle leaf figs so attractive can collect dust over time. Dust blocks sunlight and reduces the plant's ability to photosynthesize efficiently. Wipe leaves gently with a soft, damp cloth every few weeks. This simple task improves the plant's appearance while helping it absorb more light. While cleaning, inspect the leaves for pests such as spider mites, mealybugs, or scale insects. Early detection allows you to treat problems before they spread. Healthy, clean leaves function more efficiently and contribute to stronger overall growth. Regular inspections can prevent small issues from becoming major plant health challenges. Number 8. Repot when necessary. As fiddle leaf figs grow, they eventually outgrow their containers. Roots may begin circling inside the pot or emerging from drainage holes. Repotting every 2 to 3 years provides fresh soil and additional space for root expansion. Choose a pot only 1 or 2 sizes larger than the current container. Moving into an excessively large pot can cause the soil to stay wet too long, increasing the risk of root rot. A gradual size increase is usually safest. Fresh soil replenishes nutrients and improves drainage, giving your plant a renewed opportunity to grow vigorously. Keeping a fiddle leaf fig happy isn't about luck. It's about understanding its needs. Give it light, water carefully, maintain warm temperatures, provide well-draining soil, and support it with proper humidity and nutrition. With consistency and patience, your fiddle leaf fig can become one of the most impressive plants in your home. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own fiddle leaf fig success stories in the comments below. Here's to healthier leaves, stronger growth, and a thriving indoor jungle. See you in the next video!